What's going on, folks? This is Wayman the Gaming here, coming at you with a tutorial video how I set up fedora 31. First thing you have to do on the terminal, type in sudo dnf install nano. I'm going to use that editor later on. Next is a couple of links I'm going to put down in the description. Mostly is from gloriouseggroll, and he's I believe he's a developer in the Red Hat field. This is how you install the best wine setup. Copy and paste this into the terminal, which I already did. Then copy everything. Once you're done, you reset. Now also, once you come back, I would like to use, if you are using AMD hardware, you can actually use gloriouseggroll. Then you're going to do is copy this right here. Paste this in. I'm sorry, front of that, type in sudo nano. And once you do that, type in your password. Alright, from here, you will copy and paste this. And this text editor is still the same, Control-Shift-V. To save this, you hit Control-O, then hit Enter, then Control-X. After that, you would just update, copy and paste this command right here. If I can get it. Control-V. This is what get all the backlogs here. While that's going, this is a second one from gloriouseggroll. We use oops, wrong one. This one's brand new, VK3D. I'm about to try that out from him. Then the one I like to use is the custom kernel. This one is straightforward. Just type in sudo dnf copper to enable the repository, and then you copy and paste dnf update, and that will give you Steam FreeSync kernel on there that will help pretty much run CPU intensive games through Steam or Lutris. Be buttery smooth. Hit yes. Sudo dnf update. Let's go pick up everything you just did. Update, hit all the yeses. Once everything's downloaded and installed, that's pretty much it. So this is how I set up fedora 31. This is Wayman the Linux here. I appreciate you watching.